Heard of the word base? Sure, there are baseball bases and the base of a mountain, but this is also a chemical term. Bases are a category of chemical compounds that have more OHs than H's. It gives them some unique property. Bases taste bitter and are slippery in feel. So weak bases. Like acid, bases can be found in food or they can be dangerous chemicals. There are a lot of different words used to explain bases, such as basic, alkaline, and alkalinity. In the kitchen, you'll find some basic foods and food ingredients. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate with a chemical formula of NaHCO3. Baking powder is actually baking soda plus an acid with some cornstarch added. Fresh milk is slightly basic, but as it ages, it becomes more acidic as the bacteria in milk turn the milk sugars into lactic acid, and that's what forms sour cream and yogurt. Remember we mentioned an upset stomach is due to stomach acid? So some of the medications you take to get rid of these symptoms are bases. So Tums and milk of magnesia are weak bases. Tums contains calcium carbonate with a chemical formula of CaCO3. This compound is also found in eggshells, rocks, and the shells of crustaceans. Milk of magnesia is magnesium hydroxide with a chemical formula of MgOH2. Have you ever accidentally gotten soap in your mouth? It smells so fresh and clean, but it tastes super bitter. Soap is a base. Its main ingredient is usually sodium hydroxide with a chemical formula of NaOH. If we look at the chemical formulas for the weak bases, we can spot all the O's and OH's, and not H's just hanging out by themselves. Strong bases. So just like there's strong acids, strong bases also make good cleaners. Bases used for cleaning are really good at grease and oils. The extra OH's bond with these compounds easily. Bleach and ammonia are two common cleaners used in the home that are bases. Other strong bases are used as oven cleaners and drain cleaners. They can be made of sodium hydroxide or sodium carbonate. Have you ever gotten bleach on your clothes? It takes all the color out of the fabric and even break down the fabric and cause a hole. The OH's can rip things apart just as easily as the H's. Strong base safety. Once again, this is where I need to warn you that strong bases can be dangerous if mishandled. Always read the labels on the products you buy and follow the directions to ensure your own safety. Strong bases and cleaners are corrosive and poisonous. They can also injure skin and eyes and damage clothing, leather, and some other metals. Never mix these cleaners with any other household or cleaning products. Doing so can result in dangerous gases being released and cause some pretty serious breathing problems. When cleaning your home, always be sure that your room has plenty of ventilation. Leave the door open, open a window, and use the exhaust fan if you have one.